Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Super excited for today's video. It is all about the brand new Sublimage Le Correcteur Yeux from Chanel. Their new concealer. It's where skincare and makeup meet, okay? I'm going to be doing a wear test today. So I'm gonna be telling you, trying it on, then about 4 hours later, I'll be checking in. And now, where we are now, the end of the evening, and I'm gonna be giving you my final thoughts, okay? I'll be swatching for you, and we'll be talking about the shade range, and I'll be talking about what I experienced throughout the day, and if their claims have been true to me on this first wear test, okay? So if you wanna hear all about this concealer, and you wanna see what this cute thing is on my head, just keep watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I appreciate it when you do. Now let's jump in. Hey guys, so this is a very different video for me today, but before we jump in, of course, I have to talk about my Breezy Tee product of the day. I am rocking our Cocoa Blush Twist Stretch Headband that I absolutely love. So soft, so comfortable. It's primarily made of viscose, which is a wood pulp. So the fabric is really just feels really nice on the skin. It does have that stretch, so it can accommodate a lot of hair. Obviously, I started this business because of my own hair journey, so big hair was always a part of it, and it's always something I'm mindful of. So I always want to be able to, women who have big hair, big curls, big natural hair, whatever you want to call it, can wear our products. And if you're not aware, we do make all our products ourselves here at Breezy Tee. So if you want to check out any of our twist stretch headbands, just visit us at breezytee.com or our Etsy shop. Links will be in the description below. So this is going to be my first wear test video because I was so excited when I first saw the pictures of this concealer. I was like, I have to grab it and let's see how this performs throughout the day. So the idea is that I'm gonna put it on with you guys. I will check in about 4 hours from now. I have some errands to run. I do work from home, so but I will keep my makeup on, do the errands, come back, shoot for you guys in about 4 hours, and then at the end of the evening, before I take my makeup off, we'll do a final check-in to see how it held up through the day and what my final thoughts are. So typically I don't buy a concealer in the same shade as my foundation because I like to brighten, so I usually go a little lighter, but I didn't have options here. 70 was the first brown shade, so on the fence, is it going to work? What's gonna happen? But again, I'm super excited about this concealer, and I have to believe they're going to fill in the gaps because there's a serious gap here. Okay, so we have 10 shades and then 40, there's 40 and then it jumps to 70, which is the first brown shade. So 70, 91, 121, and 132. So there are 4 shades right now that go from medium to deep. That's what we're dealing with. We've got 4 shades. And again, I have to believe they're going to be plugging in other shades to come. And so if I really love it and I feel like this isn't light enough, I could always go back and get one to brighten. This one will be to conceal, but I did not have a choice, guys. 70 was the one they had, so that's the one I went with. So it comes with a little top on there. I'm gonna be taking the color from the top because it was filled, you know, it came up to the top. So here it is here it is in the jar. Again, this is 70. I don't want to waste. This is not a cheap concealer. So these skincare makeup hybrids are typically priced higher. It did come with this brush, guys, cute, but should I try it? I will try it on one eye. So let's put a little of this 70 up. Let me swatch it for you first. So this is 70 on me, okay? So immediate thoughts, the jar's a little bit messy. You can get a little bit messy. You can see how that will happen. So should it have been in a tube versus a jar? The jar is more luxurious. Is it as practical as a tube? I'm not so sure. So I'm gonna be trying this out now. Now I can't find my mirror, so I'm gonna be using, you'll get to see the back of one of the Chanel holiday collection products. I'm going to use my finger, yeah, because I'm just gonna apply like I would my concealer. So I'm gonna tap it here, I'm gonna tap it here, and let's see how this color does. Let's really see how this color does. First, I'm gonna tap it in with my finger, and then I'll use a brush. And already a little bit goes a long way. So did I need this much? Maybe not, maybe not. Feels super soft, super silky. I mean, why am I going to use this brush? I'll use it for the sake of using it, but I'm gonna go directly into my concealer brush after I kind of pat this in. Concealer is a product that, as I get older, it might be the product to me. It might be the most, let's see what's happening here. I mean, you know, it's blending. I don't have anything. I'm actually more excited about the color because I thought the picture on the site for 70 is really, really dark. The picture looks really, the swatch looks super dark. I was like, this is not going to work on me because in one of my last Chanel videos, we talked about how the foundation shades in one shade keeps changing. So I'm B70 or around 70. Each product I have is like different. Okay, so I was really concerned that it does the trick. It's just not like, you know, my favorite kind of thing. I was concerned that this could lean dark like a couple of B70 foundation or base products I have. So it looked really dark, but this looks beautiful on. There's a really nice glow. Go back in just a little bit. Put it where I would my concealer. I'm not mad at this color, just made it. So again, I am D70 in the Sublimage foundation, and the first brown shade is 70. So this is as light, this is where it starts, okay? There's a gap again between 40 and 70. So just keep that in mind. Very, very nice. And I'm about to read the claims because we need to know what we're dealing with, right? We need something to compare it to. Let's see what they're saying about this beautiful product. I am wearing, by the way, I'm using, by the way, Sonia G's Jumbo Concealer. Her concealer brushes, her brushes in general, but she actually converted me. I never use brushes, always used a sponge. And since these came out, I've never used a sponge. I haven't used a sponge since then, okay? So I'm liking it. I'm concealed. I'm ready to go. Let's talk about what they have to say. So one of the things I'm seeing immediately is I'm loving how hydrated my eyes look in the area that I put the concealer from here on up here. Looks very hydrated. There's a slight glow. It looks healthy under there. It looks really healthy. So let's see what they're saying though. This Sublimage Le Correcteur Yeux is a radiant revealing skincare concealer. Creamy and lightweight. It's exceptionally hydrating formula. Melts onto the skin and instantly illuminates the eyes. I can attest to that. That's what I'm seeing. I'm seeing instant illumination. It's hydrating, and it did. It's so soft. It did just sort of melt into the skin. I did start off with a bit too much, but actually you saw how easily it blended it with both the finger and the concealer. I've used too much of other concealers, and I'm there for a little bit of time trying to work that out. But this one blended in really, really quickly. It corrects the appearance of dark circles and smooths fine lines without creasing. Hello, I'm gonna be 45 in under a month, and yeah, those are concerns. The fine lines that I'm starting to see trying to creep in are annoying, so that's something I pay attention to. And sometimes just dark circles appear, so also something I want to pay attention to, all while caring for the delicate eye area. So it has a luminous finish and it is buildable, okay? The coverage is. The benefits: rested looking eyes after 12 hours, reduced appearance of dark circles after 12 hours, moisturized eye area after 12 hours. We're not gonna get a full 12 hours in today, but we'll still be looking for those things at the end of the evening. So I forgot to mention, it does come with a spatula that you're supposed to just dig into there and put it on the back of your hand. One, who's gonna keep this? And two, it does not change the fact that a lot of the product is on the little tab that's on the product, so it might get a little messy for you, so you've been forewarned. So that's it. That's what we're looking for. That's it for now. I will check in with you guys in a few hours and we'll give you an update. Okay guys, as you can see, my full face of makeup is on. It's been about 4.5 hours since I applied the concealer. Perhaps about the hour mark after was the one time I had to just, I saw the concealer in the fine lines. I just pat it once. I haven't done it since. I don't have anything amazing to report in terms of anything negative. It is cooler now, so I'm not expecting, like, you know, having to like dab and do all this stuff like I would have to do in the summertime. It's still holding up. I think it really still looks beautiful. No dark circles yet, nothing really to report there. It's doing a fairly good job. It's doing a really good job. I'm liking how it looks. So this is about, like I said, 4.5 hours after application, and I'm gonna come back to you one more time in about 3 hours. So 3.5 hours right before I take my makeup off. I sound tired though, I tell you that. I sound tired, had a really busy day. So that's it, check-in number 1. We've got one more in a few more hours. See you then. Okay guys, this is my last check-in. I am tired and I'm ready to take this makeup off. So it's been about 8 hours since I applied this concealer, and I'm seeing it sinking into the lines now. Now it's a little bit more visible than before. It still looks good around the eyes. There's nothing really to report there. I told you it's starting to look, maybe just here a little bit, maybe a little shine coming through here that wasn't there before, but for the most part my makeup still looks really good. I don't have oily skin, not too much. Sometimes it can get oily around the nose area, but nothing to speak of around the eyes. So 8 hours later, I think it looks pretty good. I'm not going to be able to test their 12-hour claims because I would not be in makeup for 12 hours. I work for myself, so I wouldn't be out like the whole day for 12 hours in makeup, probably not. So I can't attest to that, but I can tell you that in 8 hours, I think the makeup still looks good. When I find a new concealer, I tend to use it a lot initially, so I'm going to continue to use it. If I see anything changes about this initial 8-hour wear test, I will let you guys know in the next Chanel video. But for a first wear, a full day, a full work day, I'm liking how it looks at the end of the day. Okay, so that's it for me. Had such a long day. So again, can't wait to get this makeup off in a second. Let me know if this is a concealer that you are interested in picking up. It has some amazing ingredients in it that I didn't really touch on, but just quickly, there's some intense vanilla planifolia water, a signature Sublimage ingredient that helps maintain skin quality. Cernillus cedar extract, coated pigments combined with light reflecting particles. They instantly brighten up the eye area, correct the appearance of dark circles, wrinkles, and fine lines, and create an even makeup result. So that's some of the composition. And yes, I can attest to those things. I think it looks good now. I thought it looked good 8 hours ago. So let me know if this is a concealer that you're interested in getting. What do you think about the shade range? Like I said, just 10, 4 for medium to deep skin. Again, I have to believe they're going to add more, but just let me know what you think in the comments below. And let me know what your favorite concealer is. I'm always loving to hear. I always love to hear what concealers people are loving. So that's it for me. So as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I appreciate it when you do. It's taking energy, guys. It's taking energy to shoot this right now. And of course, if you want to check out any of our twist stretch headbands, any of our t-shirt, hair towel wraps, sandline beanies, sandline knit beanies, it's getting cold out there, and all our other hair accessories, just visit us at breezytee.com. If you want to check out any of our lifestyle luxury accessories, you can visit us at fraybybreezytee.com. I will check you guys in the next video. Ciao for now. Bye.